Hello engineers, this is Immense Electrical Engineering. Today we are about to learn how to wire a bell with a switch. So as you can see, we have our switch here, our bell switch. This is our bell switch. As you can see, this is our bell. So please make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, Immense Electrical Engineering, and like and comment under the comment section below, and make sure you follow me on TikTok. Thank you very much for watching. In the wiring, we need three cables, which is the 1.53 cables, so 1.5 mm. And we have the neutral, this is the neutral, and we have the live 1.5, as you can see. So we'll be using three cables for the switch, bell switch, and the bell. So please, let's move on. So first of all, you connect your supply first. So the supply will pass through the circular box into the 3x3 conduit box. So it will be passing through here to the conduit box. So as you can see, and then the neutral from the supply to the circular box at the top. So as you can see, we are done with our neutral, and then this is our switch cable. So from the 3x3 conduit box, then we pass it through the circular box to the top where the circular box is. So as you can see, now we are done with our wiring, and then we have our supply, and we have our switch cable, we have our supply and the neutral, and then we have our neutral and the switch cable. So please make sure you subscribe, you like, and you comment anything that comes into your mind, or anything that you want me to do. Just comment it under the comment section below. Thank you very much. Yes, now we're about to connect our uh, bell switch and our bell. So as you can see, now we have L, and L1. So the L, if you see here, the L is going into the supply. The main supply will be going to L, and then the switch cable will be going to L1. So therefore, let's proceed. So this is our supply. So the supply will be going to L in the switch L. And then secondly, the switch cable, it will be going to L1. L1. So we're about to connect our bell. So this is the neutral. So we are connecting the neutral to the bell, and then this is the live. So as you can see, we are done with the connection. So this connection is just easy way connection. So please always make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, as you can see, we are done with our connection. So we are about to test it. So when you test it, and then you will know the result of the work that we are done. Thank you very much. Okay, engineers, as you can see, now we are done with our connection and we want to see our result of what we did previously. So we are about to test it. So please let's test our connections. So first of all, if you press on the bell, you can hear the bell ringing. Cling. So this is our connection. So our connection is good. Thank you very much for watching.